Alright guys, so I'm about to make the first mod on the CBR. Starting off with something simple. I'm going to change the levers. So I have the levers right here. These are 661 levers. I think it's going to look real good. You know, with the gold forks and the matching gold levers. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll include the link in the description for these 661 levers. They're actually a little expensive. They were like 70 bucks. I could have got some cheaper ones, but I really wanted some gold with the red little dial here. So I paid a little extra for that. So stay tuned.
And all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true.
I feel like I wrote this from a personal place or something.
And all
I don't know.
wanna be is true.
Let's make it count though, for real. Yeah.
And all I wanna be
Swear my dreams are taking long. I was pissed but never stalled. Made trip, I never fall. Stay true to who you are. Can't win without a wall. God came and healed these scars. Late nights with all my dogs. I can see it from afar. See, it's days like these. I think that pain made me strong. Had purpose all along. Whether right or whether wrong. When my doggy stuck inside a jam, I'm the one they call. Felt good to talk to sauce. Before you walk, gotta crawl. Told him question God long enough. That man bound to respond. Did the same thing with Paul. Better answer when he called. We ain't seeing eye to eye. Still paid a visit to his mom.
I still care regardless
I
of
still
whatever
pay
it
the
is.
visit. Look, almost gave up on my dreams cause I felt I wouldn't pop. And that burden weighed a lot. Lost a lot but gained a lot. Thank God I stayed true. A big stage.
So here's all we're really gonna need to do this. We got a flathead screwdriver. We got the socket wrench with the 10 millimeter. We need a 10 millimeter for this one. And your levers. Okay. All right, so the first step is going to be to unscrew this from the bottom with the wrench. There's a little piece under there you got to get to, so let's do that. So I got the wrench under there. I'm just going to unscrew. So don't lose that. Next, let me run get the screwdriver. Next, we're gonna loosen up this right here. Loosen up the cable. And it has to be even with this thing right here. So you see where this goes through, it has to be even. So unscrew this. And just gotta get unscrewed a little bit more. So once you loosen this up, all you do is pull it out just like this. And you turn it around, pull it out. Now let's grab your lever, take this plastic off. Put it back on just like that. Come down, come in. There you go. Tighten that back up. There we go. Gonna put the screw back in now. Alrighty, so this feels pretty good. You can just adjust this to how tight you want it and then play with these. It feels pretty good. And then once you're done with that, take your bolt and put it back on. Alright, so now for the second side, for the brake side, that side's already done. Here's the screw. Gotta get that, unscrew that. Same type of process. This one is a little bit different, so I'll show you guys that. Alrighty, so now this pretty much just slides straight out, but there's a piece right here that you have to connect to this. So your new levers should have this piece and you have to line it up so it can connect in. So this hole needs to line up right with that. Just like that. Gotta put some pressure on it so it can go down in there. Alright, and now let's just screw this back on here. Alright guys, so we're all set. So starting off with something simple. Next I'm probably going to do the windscreen. Obviously the fender eliminator and the exhaust. So stay tuned for that. Again, I'll include the link in the description for these 661 levers.